we've just arrived, and honestly, it already feels amazing to be here. So everything feels new and exciting. We don't really know where to go yet, but that's the best part, just walking around, exploring, getting lost a little, and enjoying the moment. There are palm trees, the sea, and this soft warm breeze that feels so good. The weather here looks crystal clear, and the whole place has such a calm, peaceful energy. We even went live on TikTok, so if you want to see what it's really like here, make sure to follow us and watch the live stream. It's like a little dream come true. Sunshine, the sound of waves, and this amazing feeling of freedom. I love how everyone here seems relaxed and happy. The vibe is just different, simple, slow, and full of life. It's one of those moments where you just stop, take a deep breath, and realize how beautiful the world is. I recorded a bit of myself while we were walking, and we also took some photos together. For now we are going to the church. This is the church of Saint Yon Vladimir. It's a big and beautiful church with golden domes. Now we are heading to Old Town in Barre. It's full of history, old stone streets. Walking here, it feels like stepping back in time. You can also get beautiful views of the sea and mountains. I can't wait to explore and take some photos. We just arrived, so now I will take you to see. We came to the Old Town of Barre, and let's go. It's a beautiful and peaceful place. The atmosphere here is so beautiful and magical. There are many cafes and restaurants. This place has such a cool vibe, quite historic and full of character. Let's go to explore. It really feels like another country. Every corner here, it has its own story. So for now we just entered the market here in Barre. Before I already filmed the video in a market in Budva, so you can compare the prices if you want. Make sure to follow my page to see more videos like that. And Halloween is coming soon, so everyone is getting ready for the holiday. My husband is so caring, he's always buying me sweets to make me happy. And finally, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Bye bye.